Oh, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about customize your business overview layout in QuickBooks Online. So basically, how to customize your dashboard business overview layout in QuickBooks Online. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels and leave a comment if you have a question. Thank you. And I'm going to go to the uh, QuickBooks Online and go over what we're talking here. Okay, so when you go to the dashboard, it may look something like this, and you may log in if you're a small business owner. You may log in once a week, or or twice a week, or maybe a couple of times a month. So whatever you do, that's fine. Make sure you categorize your transactions on a regular basis. Okay, so from your dashboard right here, uh, when it's on dashboard, it's a get things done. It will look something like this. You may not use this. Just go to the business overview. Okay, so this is the business overview we're talking here. So it's the layout thing. Okay, so for your business, what's the important things you want to see on your regular basis? We try to log in and do a few things, and after that, what do you like to see, on a regular basis? So that's the focus of this video. Okay, first of all, I'll go through how this thing works. Okay, so right now I have something like this, all these uh, layout things. So I have income, sales, AR, accounts payable, that kind of thing. So you can sort it any way you want it. Just click this one, and you can move any place you want it. You can move this one here, uh, move here like this, uh, and move here like this, anywhere you want it. Okay, and so basically, if you click the add remove widgets, these are the items you have. And if you don't want to see any of those, it's just a noise for you, you can uncheck it. uh, and I'll just go through all these. And so it's basically the accounts payable. It's if you enter vendor bills, and then you have accounts payable. And accounts receivable is if you create customer invoices, then you have accounts receivable. And the bank accounts is the connected bank accounts in your QuickBooks Online. And the cash flow is basically driven by your historical sales and all the bank connected transactions, and it will give you some cash flow scenario. It may be uh, helpful to your business. You can check it out. And expenses is basically uh, your expenses for your business for whatever time frame you want. Income, same thing, income from your business. Could be your invoices, could be anything. And the mileage, if you use it, basically it will track the mileage. And if you want to figure out how much you want to get mileage reimbursed. And my apps is these are third party apps that you basically pay to somebody, some third party, and use it in QuickBooks. It's basically synced to your QuickBooks. And the profit and loss is basically income minus expenses is your profit and loss. And the sales uh, is your all the uh, sales. It could be invoices, it could be just cash sales. So when they say sales, it basically includes everything. And the taxable profit is basically what is your taxable profit? They will figure out some way, and it will show your taxable profit. Right now, it's in process. Uh, it's not done yet. But this one is kind of helpful if you know the taxable profit and you want to you're a small business owner, and you have cash flow situation, and you want to make sure you have enough money to pay taxes when it's due. So you may want to set aside that amount. At least you would know how much to set aside. Okay, so that's all about it. And so the way I like it is, you know, when I go to the dashboard and come to this place, I like to see. This is just my personal choice based on my years and years experience and how I use QuickBooks. So the first thing I want to see is the bank account. In this case, I have a bunch of bank accounts. You can see it here. And in your case, maybe just few, maybe through two, three, four, five, maximum. And you can just see all these here. You'll say, the one to review, so it's seven to review, and make sure there's nothing to review, and you have everything categorized. Then these data come out, up to date. Okay, so this is the one I like to see it, and even on this one, if you want to sort it out, there's another way. I have done another video. I've done 500 videos on QuickBooks Online. You may want to check it out. So you can move this one Apple Card bottom and checking account on top. You can do that too. Okay, so and this one is basically I like to see the the first one is right there, and then what would you like to see? Do you like to see income? That's fine. And then what would you like to see? Expenses, AR, you know, like this, sorted out, and sales. So everyone wants to see sales and expenses. So those two are the important one. And this one is basically give you open invoices if you create invoices and over the invoices. So uh, let's just put the sales on top, the second. So right like this. So you want to track expenses, and the income and profit and loss, just to give an idea how you're doing. You just have to uh, once it's done, just say done, and then you can see the last month, this quarter, you know, and this year so far, like this. You want feedback? Okay, I'll give one. So this is how you and accounts payable is basically I went through that accounts receivable, accounts payable, and the cash flow. Um, it's the way it is right now. So you can just do the cash flow trend and forecast. That's a separate feature. You just go to cash flow, and you can do the planning thing. Okay. You want to check out the video on that one too. I've done video on that one too. Okay, and then you got the taxable profit. We went through that, and my ask. So really depends how you want to see it, and certain things you don't want to see it. Why bother? Just take it out. Like you don't have a mileage thing, just take it out. You don't use any third-party apps or some of the things. Hey, I don't even do cash flow. Why bother? Just take it out. I don't need to see taxable profit. My CPA will do it for me. Something like that, But this one is kind of an interesting one. It's not out yet, so it's in process. So save like this, and you are done. Just click the done, and so that's about it. And you don't want to see any of these things. It's a noise. Just say privacy, and it's grayed out. Nobody will see it now except you. And so that's the focus of this video. If you like it, be sure to subscribe and my YouTube channels, and thumbs up. Thank you. Bye. See you again.